Have you ever wondered how AI is actually changing the hiring game right now? The world of AI in hiring is rapidly growing, and its impact is being felt by both employers and job seekers alike. With the ability to streamline processes and make data-driven decisions, AI is becoming an increasingly important tool in the job market. However, as AI continues to play a larger role in hiring, concerns surrounding its use are also on the rise. One of the biggest challenges is the potential for biases in algorithms, which can lead to discriminatory hiring practices. This can have serious consequences, from unfairly weeding out qualified candidates to perpetuating existing social inequalities. In addition to biases, many are worried about the potential for job displacement. As AI becomes more advanced, it's likely that some jobs will be replaced entirely by machines. This could have devastating effects on local economies and communities. Another issue is the lack of transparency in AI decision-making. When AI is used to make hiring decisions, it can be difficult to understand why certain candidates were chosen over others. This lack of transparency can lead to mistrust and confusion. Furthermore, AI systems can only make decisions based on the data they've been trained on, which can lead to a narrow and limited view of the ideal candidate. This can result in qualified candidates being overlooked in favor of those who fit a specific mold. Today, AI is being used in a variety of ways in the hiring process. Some companies are using AI-powered chatbots to conduct initial interviews, while others are using machine learning algorithms to screen resumes. For example, some companies are using AI to analyze facial expressions and tone of voice during video interviews. While this can be useful in identifying certain personality traits, it can also be an invasion of privacy and may not accurately reflect a candidate's qualifications. On the other hand, AI can greatly increase efficiency in the hiring process. By automating tasks such as resume screening, companies can save time and resources, allowing them to focus on more important things. However, this efficiency comes at a cost. By relying solely on AI, companies may miss out on talented candidates who don't fit the mold of what the algorithm is looking for. This highlights the importance of human judgment in the hiring process. One key insight into the future of AI hiring is the importance of transparency. As AI continues to play a larger role in hiring, it's crucial that companies are open and honest about how their algorithms are making decisions. This transparency will not only help to build trust with candidates, but also ensure that biases are being addressed and mitigated. By working together to create more transparent AI systems, we can create a more fair and equitable hiring process. In the future, we can expect to see AI being used in even more creative ways in the hiring process. From using machine learning to identify potential candidates on social media, to using AI-powered virtual reality to train new hires. However, as we move forward, it's crucial that we don't lose sight of the importance of human judgment and oversight. By striking a balance between the efficiency of AI and the nuance of human decision-making, we can create a hiring process that is both fair and effective. In conclusion, AI is undoubtedly changing the hiring game, and its impact will only continue to grow in the coming years. It's up to us to ensure that we're using this technology in a way that benefits everyone, not just a select few. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share your thoughts on AI hiring in the comments below. If you want to stay up to date on the latest technology trends, be sure to check out our video on the future of work.